Hello, my name's Sonia Beck, and I'm a tour director with Odysseys on the Journey Through Britain programme. Since lockdown, I have been doing a lot more cooking and eating. So today I thought I would introduce you to a couple of local delicacies where I live in Wales. So I live in the fishing village of Mumbles, just beyond the city of Swansea in South Wales. And we have wonderful beaches here. In fact, I have a picture of a local beach with the lovely lighthouse on the top of the promontory, staring out to the Atlantic there. And Swansea Bay has one of the highest tidal reaches in the world, so it leaves lots of deposits on the beach, fossils and seafood and pebbles and shells and seaweed, which produces one of the area's specialities, laverbread, bara lawr. So seaweed is harvested at low tide, taken off in giant buckets to be cooked. Doesn't look very appetising there, but it's cooked in a pan with butter or olive oil and tiny cockles or clams, sometimes a little bit of oatmeal and pieces of salty bacon. And that is a traditional Welsh breakfast. All to be washed down, of course, with a drop of this. On the side of the bottle, you might just be able to read the words Aur Cymru, which means Welsh gold. So on any journey through Britain, you're probably going to hear about Scottish and Irish whiskies, both very important exports. But less known is Welsh whisky, and to my mind, it's actually the best of the lot. There's only one producer of whisky here, in this company, Penderyn. The distillery is about 45 minutes away, just beside the town of Brecon, and the water from the Brecon Mountains is some of the purest that you're ever going to taste. The whisky is distilled in copper sills and aged in Madeira wood barrels. Principally, they have sherry wood as well, but Madeira is most popular. And the barrels originally come from either Kentucky or Tennessee. So we have an arrangement with Buffalo Trace, I believe. So a lot of our whiskey is aged in American bourbon barrels. All of this produces a sweet, intensely smooth, creamy whiskey, much like the Irish style of whiskey, and very different from the peaty Scottish whisky that you'll find the Scotch in Scotland, but that's all a matter of taste. Wales is a really small country, but it's hugely diverse landscapes and a very agricultural economy. The farming produce is some of the best in the UK, but you'll only get this breakfast by the coast because it truly is a taste of the sea.